Hey Glam Squad, this is Dalu. In today's video, I am showing you how I made some hand sanitizers using the aloe vera gel and the aloe vera plant. The thing is, just like many of you, I was not able to find any hand sanitizer at the store, or I was not able to find the pure aloe vera gel to make my own hand sanitizer. This one was the only aloe vera gel that I could find, and it is from the dollar store. Even then, there was only a few left. Guys, I apologize because on my last two videos I did promise the Burlington shopping haul, but I've decided to record this video because I figured out we all of us can be in the same situation. Safety comes first, right? I hope you are going to enjoy it. If you are new to this channel, welcome to the Glam Squad family. We are glad to have you. We are all about beautiful, glam, and happy home. Please be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything as soon as we upload a new video. Alright, let's get started. We are going to use 3 ingredients. 70% rubbing alcohol. The recommendation is 70% or higher, and that's all I was able to find at the store. Of course, the aloe vera gel. Essential oils. This one is from CVS. It's the lemon scent. We're gonna be using 1/3 cup of the aloe vera gel, 8 to 10 drops of the essential oil, and 2/3 cup of the alcohol. I use a spoon to give it a nice little mixture. I'm going to pour it in these little containers, bottle containers that you can get anywhere, dollar store, Target, pharmacy, Walmart, anywhere you'll be able to find these little containers. I made some more, and this time I'm gonna put it in an old hand sanitizer bottle. I realized when you shake it really well, you give it a good mixture, the consistency of the gel is much better. Actually, it smells really good. Let me show you guys an up close. Now move on to the aloe vera plant. You will find aloe vera plant in most supermarkets, but if you can find it, check your local Caribbean, Asian, or Spanish market. We're gonna start by giving it a good wash and cut it into small pieces to make it easier to handle. Slice it on the side to open it up and start removing the gel inside of it using a spoon. Once I'm done extracting all the gel, I put it in a blender to liquefy it a bit. Leave it there for 30 seconds. By the way, I use the smoothie frozen drink option on the blender. This time for my essential oil, I'm using the lavender scent. A closer look of the measurement cup. Sorry it is upside down, but hopefully you got it. Mix it up a little bit. And voila, my dear friends, your hand sanitizer made from scratch. The consistency of the gel is not as thick as when you buy it at the store, but it is pretty good. I hope you learned something from today's video, and I pray that we all stay blessed and healthy. If you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. My next video is going to be the Burlington shopping haul, and on this video I will be making an announcement for a giveaway, the 200 subscribers giveaway. I am so excited about that. Woo! Make sure you tune in for your opportunity to win, and please hit the notification bell so you can get notified as soon as I upload the video. On the screen right now are some videos that I thought that you might be interested in. Hey, check them out. It has been a pleasure spending some time with you today, and I thank you for your time. I love you. Until next time. Bye-bye.